So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook cover photo here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on where it says Tools. So for me, it's right in between FX and Gold. Go ahead and press on Tools. Then go to the top left here and press on where it says Crop. Now, if you want to make it the dimensions of a Facebook cover photo, simply just scroll this bottom bar all the way to the right until you come across the Facebook logo and where it says cover, meaning for the Facebook cover photo, simply just press on that. Now, what this does is it actually crops it into the Facebook cover photo dimension. So if you wanted to, let's just say, catch this example right here of this background. Once it's done, go to the top right and press on apply. And there you go. That is how you guys can create a Facebook cover photo here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.